Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what I put in my morning smoothie. I basically drink a smoothie every morning by itself or with some fruit. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so the things that I usually put in my smoothie minus and add a couple things is usually delicious pitted dates, 2 oranges or more, sweet apple cider, mango nectar, some pineapple, doesn't matter if it's fresh or the stuff that you can buy in the store that they cut up themselves or canned, black whole chia seeds, spinach, 3 berry blend, and mango chunks. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna toss into the blender, I'm just adding, you can add around to like 5 to 10 dates. I'm adding 10 because I just like how sweet it makes it. So you're just gonna plop those into the blender. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my 2 peeled oranges. You guys can add more or less depending on what y'all like, just throwing those in there. Next thing I'm gonna get is my chia seeds. Next thing I'm gonna put in is just a big scoop of chia seeds. You guys can add a tablespoon, teaspoon, depending on how much you like. These will give you a whole bunch of omegas, fiber, stuff like that, and it'll keep you fuller for longer. Next thing I'm going to add in is my sweet apple cider, and you're just gonna pour in about like half a cup of this, maybe a cup depending on what you like. Next thing I'm going to add in is my mango nectar, and same with the apple cider. You're going to pour in like half a cup. I also switch out the apple cider sometimes for pomegranate juice, which is really good too. So next I'm going to throw in about 3 or 4 rings of pineapple. Y'all can decide on how much you want to put in. And I'm going to pour in some of the juice, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Next thing we're gonna add in is fresh spinach, guys, and you guys can add kale. Sometimes I add kale too. I do half and half, but I don't have kale today, so I'm just gonna put in like a handful or a little more of spinach. You know, you can't even taste it in there, guys. I'm being for real. Can't even taste it. Next thing I'm going to throw in is some mango chunks. And I just got these from Costco, guys. Costco is bomb for frozen fruits, especially if you make it every day like I do. And we're just going to add in like 2 cups of mango chunks. 2.5 cups. It's all about what you guys prefer. Next thing is frozen berries. These smell so good, guys. When you open the bag, it literally smells like candy. Like Costco's berries, the best. And again, like 2 cups to 2.5 cups of berries. And I forgot to mention this in the ingredients, but you're just going to need some water to like loosen it up, because just this liquid in there is not going to be enough to blend up all this frozen fruit and everything like that. Oh yeah guys, and another fruit that I like to add in that I don't have right now, guys, is frozen bananas. So add that into yours. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to do after we got all of our ingredients into the blender, I don't want to spill anything, you are just going to turn it on. And we're just going to blend away. By the way guys, the water that you add is to your taste, on how thick or thin you like your smoothie. And that's it, guys. It's blended to perfection. There you guys go. A delicious smoothie packed with nutrition, greens, and everything you need to start your day. Okay guys, I hope this video gave you some ideas on what to put in your smoothie in the morning. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!